Today, I'd like to talk about a scenario that most MSP owners have probably lived through. With Windows 7 nearing end of life, you've probably spent weeks, if not months, reaching out to customers to talk about retiring old computers and upgrading some other ones. Some customers answer you reliably, but others won't reply to you for weeks. Then, out of nowhere, one of those difficult to reach customers sends a text message asking if you can meet for lunch in 2 hours. He finally wants to talk about that Windows 7 replacement project. So you need an asset list, and you need it fast. But exports from your PSA and RMM tool are bland and get messy as you cobble together reports from multiple tools. This is a story we've heard too many times, and it's one of the places where Lifecycle Insights really shines. Simply log into the platform and choose the customer that you're going to be working with today. From the list on the left, go ahead and choose Asset Lists, and we're going to filter by location. In most scenarios, you're going to keep all of your locations together on one report. In this scenario, our customer has a separate budget for a few of their locations, so we're going to show them separately. Once we've filtered by locations, we're going to add one more filter, the operating system Windows 7. This brings us down to just the assets that have Windows 7 installed on them and are at the 5 locations that we chose. Now we can export this either as a CSV or a pre-formatted Word document. Today, we're in a hurry because this client wants to meet in just a few minutes. We're going to grab that pre-formatted Word document. Once we've downloaded the document, all that's left is to open it up and give it a view before we print it for our customer. Here you have it. In less than 3 minutes, we created a report showing 8 workstations with Windows 7 installed throughout this customer's environment. All of the relevant data is at hand. The make, the model, the purchase date, the warranty expiration date, the estimated replacement cost, and the age of the asset. It's all color-coded so that it's easy to digest even by non-technical executives. And it's ready to go in just minutes. This is just one of the ways that Lifecycle Insights makes your reporting fast, simple, and valuable to you and your customer. If you can see yourself using a tool like this to improve your strategic business review process, please reach out. We'd love to hear from you to schedule a full demo of Lifecycle Insights. Your QBRs will thank you.